Hey guys, I just wanted to introduce you to my budget AR pistol build. Building a 10.5-inch upper along with this lower and this phase 5 pistol brace or pistol with no brace. So the lower was like $70. I'm using a DPMS lower parts kit, which was $50. This assembled upper I think was like $90. The barrel was another 100. There's a bolt carrier group in there as well. This was 80. I'm going to use this MOE trigger guard instead of the factory flat one from DPMS. And then sort of this cheapo KeyMod four rail, fluid free four rail from Amazon. I think this was $35 or $30. So I'll put the totals up. I'm gonna assemble this and then paint it, so I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Okay, I've now finished painting, assembling my cheap 10.5-inch pistol upper build. I don't know if you can tell, it's in this dark gray with FDE accents. I think this entire build cost me a little bit over 400. So not a bad deal. You can see here I'm using this hand stop / GoPro mount, and so far it's held up. Thanks for watching.